Oh yeah, bro. Oh, here she is. Here she is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You guys have no idea. We were about to open this thing, and you're gonna like shit yourself.
How was it?
That's good.
How was it, boys?
It was chill, dude.
Good?
We got so much shit, bro.
Deal of a lifetime.
Bro, let's
was
go.
wild.
Open it up. Let's see. Oh yeah, man.
That's cool.
Oh yeah.
Is this the same car that has?
Yeah.
The exact.
All right, let's see what's in here. Oh my god. So how many engines do you guys have?
3.
3 engines.
Two
How many?
fully built motors and one.
What else? What else do we have here?
We have a radiator in Lucas's car. We have headers. We have a
Oh my God.
1.6 diff. We have all sorts of air filters.
We have a
stock
rear end bumper.
Transmissions?
There's one transmission in the car.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, okay.
We have
Diffs?
we have one diff. It's a 1.6 diff.
Okay.
An extra one. He has a 1.8 diff in the car.
Oh, it's already in there?
There's a stage 4 clutch that's brand new.
Stage 4.
Yeah, there's
Engine
a,
stand?
My
there's a-
ass.
we have an engine stand now. There's a
Wow.
another OEM clutch. There's a KO4 turbo from Mazda
Holy
Speed,
fuck!
But I don't know if we're can use it.
Just sell that shit.
Oh,
Yeah, we're
there's
gonna
the
sell half of
headers.
this shit, dude. Like,
Damn.
yeah.
Are you happy?
I'm very
Are
happy.
you happy?
I'm very stoked.
All right, are we getting her down now? Oh, she's got a sick lip on her.
Oh, dude, look at the interior. Okay, look, watch the door.
Watch
though,
the-
and
yeah,
then go
right.
to the side.
Mike, yeah, I'm going.
Yo! Oh my god! Yo, the fender?
Yo,
Or the fucking...
The paint is fucking one layer of primer. There's really clean red.
Oh my
underneath.
god.
I'm gonna pressure wash
Dude,
this
look
off.
at these
Yo, yeah.
rear taillights, too. The taillights look
Oh, that red is clean. Yo, this thing is fucking tight. Oh my god.
This stuff is worth 10
You see the
grand.
aluminum plate on the door?
All right, we got the shed is all organized. Got 1 motor, 2 motor, 3 motor. Got a bunch of parts. There we go. So day 1, inventorying parts, organizing. How are you feeling, Colin?
I'm feeling so hyped.
So we're gonna clean her up. Got a lot of work to do. Gonna try to strip the paint because there's factory red underneath. You can see under there. So we're gonna find out the best way. Try to get the paint out. Kid's Miata isn't even black. This kid didn't even buy a black Miata. It's red. He's just power washing it. Oh, that's beautiful, bro.
Dude, so
That's
like
beautiful.
power washing, it's not gonna...
Just living under his wing, so we're trying to take it off as quickly as possible. And if they come out, we're gonna power wash it. I'm not seeing any come out of the wing though.
There's definitely, they live somewhere on the car.
Is there one more at the end?
I don't think so. Anything in there?
I'm not seeing anything.
Give it a good shot. Wing's probably gonna break, but fuck it.
I'll make you a new one. We have wing at home. Food rod.
Nice. Wait. I mean, that's... No.
That's a little wasp nest. That's like a very tiny one. That's actually mud daubers is what that is. I haven't seen anything.
Come off, you think?
Yeah, there's flat pins.
Oh, they like Phillips heads. I guess we just take this out.
Open it again. Oh my god. All right. Just knock it off, and I'll spray them if they come out.
I'm literally just taking this out.
Yeah, do it. No, just literally just knock it off.
Knock it off.
I disconnected that wire already.
Anything?
I don't see any.
I mean, fuck. Oh.
They're actually the fucking worst.
So right now we're about to take the trans out of this thing, see what we're looking at. We have no idea what the fuck we're doing, so we're just gonna, wing it.
So I wasn't here, but you guys jacked it up and took all the wheels off. What's the next step here? What are we gonna do right now?
We gotta disconnect everything from the trans, and then we're gonna pull her through the engine bay.
All right. You wanna open the engine bay? So here's the trans in question.
So, to my understanding, we gotta disconnect this bad boy, disconnect the drive shaft,
Yeah.
disconnect whatever the fuck this is, and some other sensors, and then we're good.
Yeah, let's just start ripping shit out and see what happens.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump. You ready?
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
These pants are too tight.
Oh. Yeah, come around here.
You see this?
Yeah.
That's the one I loosened.
Okay, so that's almost out.
The other thing, I just.
Oh, I
wanna-
see the other one. Okay.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
That one's like fucking.
A bitch.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how to do that one.